we lost. Oh my God, fell in love with the love. Show me love.
So today is Saturday, June 19th, and I'm going to be filming a day in my life. It's so weird kind of doing this now because, as I said in like the videos before this, I've been going for a while, so I'm trying to get back in the swing of things and filming these videos and stuff, so bear with me. This was really random. Like, I was supposed to be filming a weekend vlog starting yesterday, but things happened and I spent most of Friday taking out my hair, my braids. I didn't want to put that in the video. I was like, nah, I don't want to do it. I've been up for a while. It's 11:41 now, and I was just like, cute, let's film a day in my life. By the time I finish taking a shower and getting dressed, it'll be time for me to head to my hair appointment and do everything that I plan on doing for today. So to me, this is like perfect timing for me to start. At 2:30 I go get my hair done. You know, Shia, period, slay with Jinsu, the only person who does my installs. I'll probably show a little bit of that because I feel like before I left I was doing a lot of like hair appointment stuff. I don't know if y'all really want to see that, so I'm gonna just put a little bit in. If y'all do, just let me know. Like, if y'all like that, just let me know. But I'm just gonna put a little bit in this time, and then after that I plan on going to the outlet because tomorrow is Father's Day and I still have to get a few things. I won't be too loud because I think you can hear me, but yeah, I still gotta go to the outlet and get a few things for both of my granddads. So yeah, I go take care of that, and then I am supposed to be going to eat. I don't know because of the weather, and I feel like depending on timing, like I don't know, I just hope the weather does not ruin my plans for today. The main thing is my hair because y'all, I look so crazy under this, but it's okay because she will get me right. Right now I for one need to find something to wear because I low-key want to take pictures today, but I don't know if the weather will permit. I don't know, I might just end up taking pictures like in the house or like selfies and stuff. I don't know because I don't think the weather, let me see if it changed. I don't think it's really messing with me today. The one day I want to do something. Yeah, it's supposed to rain. Well, it's supposed to rain from 3 to 5. It really depends on where I go at, really. I'm gonna be back as soon as I fix up my room a little bit and figure out what I'm about to put on because I really don't know. What's the TikTok? I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, that's me. I don't know. So I'm about to go do that and stop talking, and yeah, I'll be back.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Okay y'all, so I'm finally back. It's been a long time because now it's like 1:30 and my appointment is at 2:30, so I have like an hour to finish doing what I have to do. I know I said I was going to take IG pictures, but I don't like any of the fits that I put together, so I decided to just throw on a white crop top, some jeans. Let me show y'all. Let me go ahead and just show y'all. So yeah, white crop top, some jeans, and then I put on these sandals right here. And I'm either going to wear my Telfar bag or my wristlet. I don't know yet. But we just have to go with that because I still have to stop and get some food because I'm starving. And yeah. I want to put a scrunchie in my hair. But with this outfit, I think I might have to put on my white one. But I cannot find it. And that's not, oh, there it goes. And then after my hair appointment, I actually have to go to the outlet first because I need to go get those Father's Day gifts. And I need to pick up something else for somebody else and look for some stuff for me. Hopefully the rain doesn't catch me. That's also why I'm not taking pictures because it's supposed to be from like 2 to 5, and I think my hair will be done during that period of time. So it's just kind of like it is what it is. Like, the weather's gonna be bad. We gotta finish getting ready. Let me put y'all right here. that was an epic fail. All right, so it's a weird angle, but we gotta make it work. I'm about to put the YSL on. I'm gonna go with this one for today. This is the bomb. Like, if you don't know what perfumes to get, this, and I have this other YSL is where it is. Like, go get you some. I also bought a perfume from Victoria's Secret, y'all. Well, I bought it because it was on sale, but do not buy perfume from there. I don't know if I just got the wrong one, but it's literally no good. So invest in some good perfume. So I always put a little dab right here, you know, because this is pretty strong. You really don't need that much, but then I'll put some like right here, and then, you know, rub it in. Leave the Bath and Body Works where it is, sis, because I don't know, some people still like that, but I just personally don't. Bath and Body Works was just never for me, should I say. Your girl just got hip to the Honey Shine Flavor Lip Gloss at Victoria's Secret. Random pickup, but worth it. So that's really the last of what I have to do. Y'all, outside is hot, but it's like the heat before it's about to rain kind of hot. Like, I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, or if it's just me who can tell like when it's about to rain, or like, I don't know, it just feels like super hot before it's about to rain, and you can tell, like, and it's not really sunny. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Let's see if I can do a better job. Okay, so you know, like, it's a sunny day and it's hot, you about to go to the beach. Okay, cool. But when it's about to rain, it's like a different kind of heat. Like, it's super hot and you can tell it's about to rain, and it's not really sunny. Like, it's sunny, but it ain't sunny, and that's what it is today. So I'm glad I kind of didn't find an outfit, because then I would have been a waste of an outfit. I mean, I would have still looked cute, you know, but I just wanted to come on the camera and tell y'all that. But I'm actually about to go to Chick-fil-A to get me something to eat before this hair appointment, and then I'll be there. So I should be done at Chick-fil-A by like 2, because I know Chick-fil-A got a line and it's like 1:40, and then I can be to my hair appointment on time, and I also have time to eat. Guess what, guys? I had to come update y'all. So we ended up not going to Chick-fil-A, and we ended up at Zaxby's, because Chick-fil-A had a long line. Like, Chick-fil-A always has a line, but y'all, this line, it was not giving that, and it was closer to my house, so I knew I would have been like super late if I would have stayed there. So I came to the Zaxby's close to my appointment, but they kind of took long too, and they didn't have a line, and I have like 4 minutes to get to my appointment. So yeah, so I'm about to try to at least like eat some of my sandwich. That'll be something for Beshia. It is, but I'm gonna try to eat some of my sandwich, and yeah, just pray for me. My hair is done, and I did the curly hair again because, like I'm gonna keep saying, my birthday is approaching, and that's when I'm gonna be doing something different. But I just needed something temporary for right now, so I just went ahead and did the curly hair again. Why can't I find my lip gloss? Whatever, we're just gonna do Carmen. So I put my mask on anyways, but I cannot find my lip gloss in this bag. Oh, there it is. Right now I'm at the outlet. I'm actually about to get out so I can go to Bath and Body Works to pick something up for somebody, and then I gotta go to Hanes to get my Father's Day gift. I'm gonna have to go to Marshall's tomorrow because I didn't expect my hair to take this long, and I really should have went this morning, but it is what it is. I'll go tomorrow. But we got the mask. I'm probably gonna record off my phone because I don't know, but I'm still bringing it just in case I decide to. So, all right. The clips from me being in the outlet might be so choppy, but I gotta come on camera and talk to y'all for a little bit while I'm heading to my next destination, because y'all, we're gonna take you off. We're gonna take you off the stand real quick, because y'all, times are getting crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. I just gotta come on here and talk about this outlet experience. Okay, so as we all know, as I mentioned in my try on hauls or whatever, I have a much bigger bust compared to other people. Like, there's people out here that have bigger chests, if you don't know what bust is, than me. Like, much bigger. So for me, like, I say my chest are big, but there's people out here that have bigger chests than me and be like, girl, your chest not big, but my chest is pretty big. So with that, we tend to not want to wear crop tops or not want to wear spaghetti strap dresses or camis or tank tops or anything that will reveal them. Like, we're so quick to put on oversized t-shirts or t-shirts in general because we don't want people to stare at us, right? So lately I've been actually getting into a place where I became confident because I've been trying to find ways to reduce them, but it hasn't been working. So I just decided to enjoy them, embrace them, be confident in them by wearing my crop tops, not caring if just feeling comfortable. Because some people around me will tell you, like, I might put on that crop top while I'm in my room, but once I get around people, it's like, oh my god, like da 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 da. But I'm in a place now where I feel like I will confidently wear it. But where I'm going at with this, let me get to it, is why do people feel the need to just stare? Like, there's people who are trying to take that step and, start wearing the crop tops. Like, I'm not understanding, like, what's the need of staring? Like, of course, you see a big chest. Okay, look. Because when some people see a big, booty, butt, whatever you want to say, you stare. But for somebody to be sitting on a bench, breaking their neck to look at someone's chest or butt or whatever, that's just downright outrageous. Like, how do you expect somebody to feel comfortable when they can see you? Because I don't know if you've ever been in an outlet, but they have glass windows. They can literally see you breaking your neck to look at them. Like, that's just weird to me. That is just so weird to me. I don't know if I'm the only person that ever experienced this, but that is so weird to me. And it was to the point where I was about to lose my little confidence, and I was actually in the store, y'all, about to try on 2 tops to change my outfit. But I said, you know what? I'm not changing for nobody. If I want to wear a crop top, I'm wearing a crop top. Like, no, I'm not gonna do it just because there's weirdos out here just staring, like breaking their neck. Like, y'all, he was facing this way, I was walking this way. According to the store window, he was like this. That is just so creepy to me. But I just had to come on here and say that because that is just so creepy to me. That is just so weird. Like, let's just stop it, please. Please. But yeah, I'm on the way to go get some food. That's the next stop of my day. I'm supposed to be going to this place that's near the beach, but I know they have like really good tacos or whatever, so that's really why I want to go, so I can try them. But I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get there so I can stop ranting and driving. So of course I'm coming back with my first vlog and forgetting to do my outro, plus like the video just kind of ends, but I'm here to tell y'all why. So basically we went to the restaurant, and there was basically a 2.5 hour wait time, because 2 hours for the kitchen, and we had to wait like 40 minutes just to even come inside and sit down. So that was an epic fail, and then my night just kind of started to go left from there, so I didn't really get footage. But I promise y'all in the next vlog, we're going to get better and we're not going to have these issues. But if you guys enjoyed this first one, since I've been back, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together. Period. And I'll see you guys in the next video.